Hello, teacher. Today I'm gonna talk about the drones, one of the most famous and newest creations. Principal points. My first, the first thing I'm gonna talk about is the introduction and who made this creation. The second one is the positive points, which I'm gonna talk about the positive points. The negative points, which I'm gonna talk about the negative points, and the recommendation, if I recommend it or not. Okay, the person who creates the person who create drones, it's Abraham Caron, which was born in June 27, 1937, in Baghdad, Iraq. From early age, he was addicted about aeronautics, and of in the age of thir- in the age of 14, he started building a model aircraft. He graduated as an aeronautic aeronautic engineer from the Tection. Tection, yes. He built his first drone during the Yom Kippur War for the Israeli Air Force. And what is a drone? It is an unmanned aerial vehicle equipped with a flight controller capable of receiving commands through radio frequency, infrared, and even predefined mission based on GNSS navigation sat- navigation satellite system. Global Navigation Satellite System. It is the GNSS. Coordinates via its onboard system. It is a its appearance resembles mini helicopters, with some models being jet replicas. Others are multirotors, such as quadcopters. For models with 8 motors and even up to 12 motors, are those powerful by fuel for flight. Okay, the strange points about a drone. The first one is the versatility. Drones can be used across various industries for aerial photography and video production, to serving, mapping, agriculture, and even delivering services. Their flexibility allows them to adapt to different tasks, making them highly valuable in diverse sectors. The second point, the second strange point, is the effectivity. Drones are much affordable to operate compared to traditional manned aircraft or ground-based equipment. They require less maintenance. Yes, they require less maintenance, no fuel cost for large vehicles, and lower personnel, which translates to significant costs saving for business and organizations. The third strange point about a drone is its accessibility. Drones can access difficult to reach or hazardous areas, such as disaster zones, high altitude locations, or places with limited human access. These abilities can make invaluable in search and rescue operations, environment monitoring, and infrastructures in expectations. The fourth and the last point about the strange points about the drone, it is the precision. Drones are equipped with advanced technology such as high resolution cameras, GPS, and sensors, which allows them to gather highly accurate data. This precision highly accurate data. This precision makes them ideal for tasks like mapping, surveying, and monitoring, where detail and accuracy are crucial. The weaknesses point about a drone. Okay, so the first one, weak, weak, weak points about drone. It is their limited flight time. Most drones are powered by batteries, which is typically allowed for flight times ranging from 20 to 16 minutes depending on the model. This limitation means that drones can only cover a relatively small area or perform tasks for a short duration before requiring a recharge or battery replacement. The second weaknesses point about a drone is the weather sensitivity. Drones can be signif- uh, drones can be significantly affected by weather conditions, high winds, yes, it is high winds, rain, or extreme temperatures can impact their stability, control, and flight performance. This makes flying drones in certain conditions unsafe or, impractical, limiting their operational windows. The third weakness point about a drone, it's their regulatory restrictions. Drone usage, drone usage is subject to a wide range of regulations, including no-fly zones, altitude limits, and restrictions around airports or crowded areas. These rules can limit the areas where drones can operate, which can be an obstacle for certain missions or commercial applications. The fourth and last point for and the last weak and the last weaknesses point, it is limited payload. While drones are capable of carrying sensors, cameras, limit the fourth weaknesses point. Sorry, teacher, I'm having a problem with my internet, so yeah, I'm having a problem with the internet. Sorry. The fourth and the last one weak point about drone, it is the limited payload. While drones are capable of carrying sensors, cameras, or small packages, their upload capacity is generally much lower than that of manned aircraft or ground vehicles. This restricts their ability to carry heavier equipment or larger payloads, limiting their use for certain applications. So, my recommendation, yeah. In conclusion, if someone goes aligned with what drones excel at, such as versatility, cost effectiveness, access to hard to reach areas, and precision, then a drone could be a great investment. However, If their work requires longer flights, times operates in harsh weather conditions, or involves a heavier loads, they may want to consider other options or prepare for the limitations that come with drones.